Cleaning the HP Print User Wellness Drapes. First, turn off the printer and unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Approved and tested cleaning and disinfectant formulas for HP Print User Wellness silicone-based drapes include chlorine-based, up to 100,000 parts per million, 10% bleach content. Formaldehyde-based, up to 370,000 parts per million, 37% formaldehyde content. Oxidizing, such as hydrogen peroxide, up to 30,000, 3% parts per million content. Quaternary ammonium, up to 20,000 parts per million, 2% content. Note: customers may experience some visible changes to cosmetic finishes over time as a result of the cleaning techniques mentioned in this video. While wearing disposable gloves, lightly moisten a microfiber cloth with a CDC-recommended disinfectant mixture of 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% water. Ensure that the cloth is only damp and not soaking wet. Gently wipe the surfaces with the cloth, starting with the control panel. Once disinfection is complete, spray glass cleaner on a rag to clean the copier and scanner glass. Once all surfaces have been cleaned, discard the gloves. Allow the surfaces to dry. Then plug the printer back into the wall outlet and turn it on. HP recommends repeating the cleaning procedure at regular intervals.